Good afternoon, this is Jan. I'm in my kitchen and I'm gonna make Yam Goong, Thailand's famous spicy and sour soup with shrimps, because shrimps are my favorite animals. The preparations: here I got 2 medium to medium plus sized shallots. I'm gonna cut them roughly like this. Peppers for extra spiciness. I'm using 2 red, 1 green, but you can choose to use only red. Cut off the ends. Then chop them up into pieces that are not too small. Be careful of the seeds, they're very hot. Another very important ingredient for tom yum is lemongrass for the flavor. I cut off the end. And then with the back of the knife I'm gonna smash it a little bit like this, so that all the flavors come loose. And I cut it into pieces, not too small. And here I got some nice mushrooms, also a very important ingredient for tom yum. I chose for the white mushrooms, but of course you can use straw mushrooms, which is very common, or oyster mushrooms. In a pan with hot water I put all the stuff in at the same time, plus some lauwroot, quite a lot. Should use real fresh lauwroot, but I don't have it, so I'm using this. Cayenne pepper for extra spiciness. Fish sauce. And a special ingredient, chili paste with soybean oil. For this amount of water I'm using like about 1 teaspoon of the paste. The chili paste will give the tom yum its typical orange color. And here are the real stars of this dish, the shrimps. You can use any shrimps you want. I've chosen for this like medium sized one. I like the taste of it a lot. So in go the shrimps. You cook the shrimps like 2-3 minutes, not more than that. Don't overcook them. Just before serving there's 2 more things you add to the soup, which is lime. I'm using like 1 whole lime for this. So you squeeze it into the soup. This is for the acidity. It has to be quite sour. You got the combination of sour and spicy. And finally some coriander. Always taste first. If it's spicy enough, if it's sour enough. Because you can always add some more of something. I think it's perfectly okay. Ready to serve. And make sure you got everything in your bowl. I'm using a big bowl, because I'm make quite a lot of soup. Nice shrimp, nice mushrooms. You can smell the lemongrass, very nice, very fragrant. Spicy and sour. I'm gonna try the shrimp. They're hot. Got the skin off. Now that is a juicy shrimp. Almost a little bit sweet. Very nice. With this acidity. I love mushrooms. Shallots are very aromatic. And the lemongrass, don't eat it. It's just there for the flavor, for the aroma. It's very tough. I love shrimps. So much flavor. Even in the heads of shrimps there's lots of flavor. Not much meat in there, but flavor all right. You can make like shrimp stock, fish stock from this. Nice, briny, salty. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.